Now, this week marks the 5th anniversary of the devastating Mumbai attacks that claimed more than 160 lives. The incident not only shook the entire nation, it also exposed the vulnerable security systems in the country. Ever since, businesses here have increased their focus on strengthening security, as Sameer Hashmi reports.
Scenes that traumatized the whole country. This attack on India's commercial capital Mumbai on the 26th of November 2008 showed up terrible flaws in security here. 2 landmark hotels were among the locations attacked in the city. And 5 years on, a visit to another 5-star hotel shows how much has changed. The Leela wasn't targeted in the attack, but even so, it highlights the way security is now handled by the hospitality sector. Right at the entrance, vehicles are screened before they are allowed inside the hotel premise. Then, guests have to pass through metal detectors and their luggage is thoroughly scanned before they are allowed into the lobby area.
Same thing what happened after 9/11 in US, that suddenly there was a increased awareness and realization that the times we live in are something that terrorism is a part of it. And so follow the security procedures, because that serves as a deterrent for something to happen. So yes, it kind of changed the overall way hotels looked at security.
After the 2008 Mumbai attacks, the Indian government put in place new security and safety guidelines for the hospitality sector to follow. So since then, hotels across the country, especially the big ones, have put in place stringent measures to try and counter any threat. But it's not only the hospitality sector that's changed its outlook. Indian businesses across sectors have increased their security focus.
This increased vigilance has translated into more business for the security industry that manufactures products like metal door detectors and CCTV surveillance systems. In fact, the size of the sector is now 5 times bigger than before the Mumbai attacks.
बड़ी-बड़ी कंपनीज, बड़ी-बड़ी कॉर्पोरेट्स जो भी है,
earlier only big companies used to purchase security equipment, but now even mid-sized companies and residential complexes have started investing in security. Even if there is a small building, residents are buying CCTV surveillance systems to feel more secure.
These men are training how they would rescue people in an emergency. They belong to TOPS Group, which provides security services like rapid response and guards. Many corporates and individuals have signed up with firms like these to help secure themselves in a hostile situation. But the company feels that the general outlook towards security needs to evolve further.
If I compare probably the practices that we follow in India and the practices that they follow in UK or US, I mean, we have got a long way to go. But if you look at the mid-sized malls or the smaller malls, they still look at security as a cost.
The willingness to spend on security means more international firms are now looking to get involved. And interest will go up even further if government plans to lift foreign ownership limits on private security firms going ahead. So even as the growth of India's economy slows, it's clear why many here call this industry recession-proof.